Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need the right permissions. Make sure you are global admin or assign the SharePoint admin role so you can see admin centers. Sign in at Portal. Office. Calm with that admin account because standard users won't see these options. Once signed in, click the App Launcher or the Apps list and open the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. From here, you start the path to SharePoint admin tools. This step is essential because it exposes the Admin Center's menu you need next. Once in Microsoft 365 Admin Center, look left for Admin Centers and click SharePoint to open the SharePoint Admin Center. This centralizes site and tenant controls. If prompted, switch to the new SharePoint Admin Center for modern features. Make sure to note the banner or link to toggle. Then navigate to Active Sites to manage site collections, policies for sharing and external access, and settings to configure tenant-level defaults. These screens let you drill down into site details and governance quickly. After making configuration changes, always click Save and then verify that your edits propagate by refreshing the active sites list and checking a sample site. For complex bulk changes or scripts, use the SharePoint Online Management Shell with your admin credentials so actions are repeatable and auditable. If you can't find the SharePoint Admin Center, confirm your role assignment first. If the role is correct but the link is still missing, clear browser cache or try an incognito window, and sign in again so stale UI state isn't blocking access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.